The e-commerce industry has seen tremendous growth over the past few years. Businesses around the globe embrace digital solutions to stay competitive and meet growing customer needs. And you might have already noticed that one of the most transformative technologies to emerge is artificial intelligence, or AI. More specifically, a language model called ChatGPT. It has caused quite a stir. Some are cautious about it and some are enthusiastic. We are in the latter category, of course. In this video, we'll delve into the topic of AI and ChatGPT and see how it can revolutionize e-commerce. We'll also explore the wide-ranging applications and benefits they offer to businesses in the digital age. My name is Diane, and you're watching Thrive with Sellvia. Robots nowadays are wildly intelligent and can feel the rhythm too. They're transforming our everyday life in every aspect and the way we do businesses. Artificial intelligence is the future. From personalizing product recommendations and improving search functionalities to streamlining supply chain management and automating marketing campaigns. As a result, companies that effectively harness AI's potential can gain a competitive edge in the rapidly evolving e-commerce landscape. For example, Siri by Apple or Amazon Alexa are great examples of good AI-powered products that can help you in your everyday life. ChatGPT can generate human-like text. This makes it an invaluable tool for businesses seeking to enhance customer interactions, automate processes, and gain valuable insights. Let's first of all look at how AI is generally improving businesses due to automating processes. Number 1. Prioritizing user experience. Businesses that have successfully integrated ChatGPT into their operations often prioritize delivering an exceptional user experience. Focusing on customers' needs and preferences, companies have been able to create more engaging and personalized interactions. As a result, they are driving customer loyalty and double their success with minimum effort. Number 2. Seamless integration. Ensuring that ChatGPT-powered solutions are seamlessly integrated into existing workflows and systems is crucial for success. Companies that have achieved the best results have carefully planned and executed the implementation process. This has resulted in minimal disruption and maximum benefit. For example, Alibaba uses AI to suggest visitors products they might like. Number 3. Continuous improvement. By regularly analyzing performance data, gathering customer feedback, and updating algorithms, these companies have been able to maximize the value of ChatGPT and stay ahead of the competition. Moving to our second point, let's see some opportunities AI is about to give businesses in the nearest future. As AI technology continues to evolve, ways to use AI in e-commerce will only expand. Some future developments may include personalization. With further advancements in AI, businesses can tailor experiences not only based on individual preferences, but on real-time factors such as mood, location, or time of the day. This level of personalization can lead to even higher conversion rates and customer satisfaction. Data privacy. As ChatGPT and AI become more deeply integrated into e-commerce, businesses will need to navigate the ethical and privacy concerns that arise from the collection and use of customer data. Ensuring transparency, adhering to data protection regulations, and maintaining customer trust will be essential for long-term success. Collaboration with human expertise. Rather than replace the human workers, AI can be used to help their skills and allow them to focus on higher value tasks like collaboration and efficient work environment, like why not? So what about the exact ways to use AI for businesses? Effectively reaching customers is a top priority for e-commerce businesses, and ChatGPT offers opportunities for enhancing every part of them, starting from the website and finishing with client support service. But of course, the most valuable impact that AI can make on a business is optimizing marketing and driving more clients and sales. Let's check out the ways to use AI for your business one by one. AI-powered email marketing campaigns. ChatGPT can help businesses create highly targeted email marketing campaigns that resonate with individual customers. By analyzing user data and preferences, AI can generate personalized subject lines, promotional offers, and product suggestions that increase open rates, click-through rates, and conversions. Content generation and SEO. High-quality, engaging content is essential for driving organic traffic and converting website visitors into customers. ChatGPT can be utilized to create a wide range of content, including product descriptions, blog articles, and social media posts, ensuring that your e-commerce site remains fresh and relevant. Moreover, by incorporating SEO best practices and strategically targeting specific keywords, ChatGPT-generated content can help improve your website search engine rankings and attract more potential customers. For example, you have a website. On that website, you're selling something like clothes. In this case, you need appealing product descriptions and catchy pictures showcasing your product in its best state to make visitors buy from you, right? Normally, it would take at least a marketing expert, a copywriter, a bunch of tests and brainstorming sessions, and of course, time and money to make your product page rank higher and sell. Now with AI, you don't have to spend your time and money on all of that. It is right there to generate brilliant content for you to get to the first places on Google search and make more sales. Let's talk about social media. In today's digital world, having a strong social media presence is crucial for e-commerce success. ChatGPT can help businesses maintain an active and engaging presence across various social media platforms by generating contextually relevant content, responding to customer comments, and even identifying trending products, trending topics, and hashtags. Meanwhile, Midjourney can help you create illustrations like a real designer. How cool is that? Now let's talk about personalizing the customer experience with ChatGPT. In the competitive world of e-commerce, delivering personalized customer experiences is essential for businesses looking to stand out. By leveraging the capabilities of ChatGPT, online sellers can create awesome experiences that resonate with their customers, resulting in increased engagement, conversions, and loyalty, of course. AI-powered product recommendations. One of the most impactful applications of ChatGPT in e-commerce is the generation of personalized product recommendations. By analyzing a customer's browsing and purchase history, as well as other relevant data, ChatGPT can intelligently suggest items that are likely to appeal to individual shoppers. For example, you can insert text from your website and ask the robot to modify it in a way that will increase the conversion rates and look more enticing for the buyers. You can also create better omnichannel experiences. Today's customers often interact with brands across multiple channels, including websites, mobile apps, emails, and social media. Analyzing customer data and generating personalized content and recommendations accordingly, ChatGPT can help businesses create a cohesive and consistent experience, which is very important. Another cool thing is improving customer support with AI-powered chatbots. ChatGPT can be integrated into chatbot systems, enabling businesses to provide responsive and personalized customer support. AI-powered chatbots can resolve common issues more efficiently than traditional support methods, freeing up humans for more complex tasks. Such an improved level of customer service not only enhances the overall user experience, but also contributes to the increased customer satisfaction and loyalty. As the e-commerce landscape continues to evolve and becomes more competitive, businesses must adapt and embrace the innovation, the technology that is coming up. And you can not only level your current business up, but also start from scratch and have your competition way behind from day one. Sellvia is an e-commerce ecosystem that includes a rich product catalog, delivery system, support system, and a bunch of turnkey commerce solutions. We know how to leverage the power of AI for your business advantage and make you stand out from the crowd from the very first day. Sounds cool? Book a free consultation here and learn how to outshine everyone with ease. I hope you enjoyed this video about ways to use AI. If you did, make sure to leave it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Leave your comments down below and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!